Fitspiration. Repeat after me. Fitspiration. Fitspiration. Welcome to English Dictionary Infinity, where we help you perfect your pronunciation and expand your vocabulary one word at a time. Fitspiration is a blend of the words fitness and inspiration. It refers to content that motivates people to stay fit and healthy, often shared on social media in the form of photos, quotes, or workout routines. Think of it like this. Fitspiration is that boost of motivation you get when you see someone's fitness progress or a positive workout quote online. In a sentence, her Fitspiration posts on Instagram encourage her followers to stay active and healthy. Here, Fitspiration refers to the motivating content she shares to inspire others to stay fit. Let's try another example. I look at Fitspiration accounts to keep me motivated during my fitness journey. Now, it's your turn. If you understand the word, comment below with your own sentence using the word Fitspiration. Synonyms. Some related words are workout motivation, the drive to stay active and healthy. Fitness inspiration, content that inspires someone to pursue fitness goals. Antonyms. The opposite of Fitspiration would be laziness, a lack of motivation to stay active. Sedentary lifestyle, a way of living with little to no physical activity. Part of speech, Fitspiration is a noun referring to motivational content related to fitness. If you found this helpful, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to keep building your vocabulary with us at English Dictionary Infinity. Don't forget to hit the notification bell for more words and pronunciation tips. See you next time.